Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix follow limit on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search, add, reels, and lastly right here, you're going to find your profile page. So basically, guys, right now, the follow limit problem on Instagram occurs when when you follow a lot of people at a very short time. So in order to fight spamming, Instagram will not let you follow a lot of people at a short time and it will make you not able to follow. So in order to be able to follow again, it's pretty simple. You just need to wait it out. So if you're on a follow limit, just wait for like a 30 minutes or an hour max, and then go back and try to follow other people, and then your problem will be fixed. If you still couldn't do that, even if you wait it out, then try to log out from your account and log in again. In order to do that, just click on your profile icon and then go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. And once you do that, scroll all the way down until you find login. Here under login, you're going to find add account, log out, and log out all accounts. Click on log out from your current Instagram account, and then try to log in again, and this might fix your problem. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.